bonsoir.
How are you? Ki jan ou ye? I am good and you?
Mwen bien ouye ou.
What's new? Sa ou regle mem?
I am tired.
Mwen fatige?
I am happy.
Mwen kontan?
I am thirsty.
Mwen soif? I am sad. Mwen triste? I am late. Mwen en retard. It's too late. Li twata. I'm sleepy. Dormi nan jen. How are the elders? Ki jan gran moun yo ye? Tell me about your wife. Palem de madame ou? Are you married?
Ou married?
No, I'm single, no? Mwen célibataire.
Yes, I am married, oui. Mwen marié.
How old are you?
Ki l'âge ou?
It was nice meeting you. Mwen te kontan renkontre ou. Bye, take care of yourself. Male, porte ou bien.
Thanks, you do.
Merci, ou même tout.